Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are studying very well. There is a problem, student, a bit for using the Google Classroom. I think few are able to handle, few are not able to handle. So, this lack of handling maybe will suffer later on. But it has been found, students, most of you are sending me answers through mails. Students, chatting is not for mail. Make it very clear that is a classroom app, and students, you answer me in the same classroom app. Instead of giving me answers in that through mails is very hectic to check over there. Answer me in the school classroom, that the Google Classroom chat, do there only. Message there only and answer me there only. That will be convenient for you people also, for me people also to answer the questions or to question you, to give you the question and accordingly to answer it. So from tomorrow, just have a look and accordingly do the things, okay? So students, yesterday we have finished the first part of the Sound of Music, which was of the Evelyn, and now today is the time to discuss the question answers of that part. So let's begin the question. Our first question was, thinking about the text is the first question. How old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? If you could remember, student, I think she is hardly 17 when she was supposed to go to the Royal Academy. Go through the chapter, you will get the answer in a proper way. We have discussed in the previous videos also. So from there you can get answer in a proper manner. Afterwards, another question I'm having, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? So her deafness was noticed when she has been called for playing the music, playing the piano. That time her deafness was not confirmed. Gradually later on, earlier she tried to hide, but later on her deafness was taken out, or her deafness was disclosed, because she was not able to hear to others, but in that way. So her deafness was disclosed afterwards. Another question which we are having, who helped her to continue with music? And what did he do and say? So that was Ron Forbes, the name, if you would remember, student. That was the fellow who was himself a great percussionist, helped her to run the drum or to go through her way, advised her in a proper manner, molded her in a proper way, and accordingly she was able to play the drums and she became what she is today. The one only person who understood her and made her understand the things accordingly. Afterwards, students, another question I'm having, that is, name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. So that detail you will be getting in your chapter. But if recently last video if you would have, so she has run in hospitals also, in cinema also, not cinema, in hospital, and in I think yesterday we have gone through in hospitals or in prison also for the prisoners, in hospital also for the patients she run. Apart from that, the official video she is making, whatever official videos she was doing in the orchestra, with the orchestra team, the musical concert were there, these all were there in between, which she has played and which she has done. Clear? Afterwards is there, how does Evelyn hear music? That's a very important question. How did she hear? Here you will explain the entire scenario, how the music has been heard by her. If you would remember, in the previous videos I made you explain that what was she doing earlier. She used to at the beginning of her life she was able to hear, so she was able to hear the lip sync. That was the first part. Afterwards, when Ron Forbes has told her to feel it, so she started to feel the music. And for feeling, she used to remove her shoes. She used to sit there, where barefooted, patting the words, and from the upper waist and the lower waist. Upper waist, different way of music, and lower waist, different way of music. She is listening. So in this way, she was enjoying the music, or she was feeling the music. Instead of listening, she was feeling the music, which is more importantly for others to do. So that was the question answer session of this, students. Have an advanced reading of your what to say, another part of the chapter, that is Bismillah Khan, the legend for Shehnai. That we will continue from tomorrow. Have an advanced reading. That's all for today. We shall continue tomorrow. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.